And then go to
but
print.
if you put the
So we're gonna go to aisle 512.
Wow, look how clean it is, y'all. This is so strong. This is the base. It's a lot lighter than I thought, and I love this color. It's like somewhat similar to my floor, but I still love it. Quick update so far. I have the body here. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna have to put the bottom and then the doors on the side. Okay guys, I couldn't record yesterday because I was so tired, but today is a beautiful morning just because I get to wake up to this beauty right here. I mean, come on, how cute is my TV stand that I customized with my sister. I love this color combination right here. Wood on white glossy doors. Yes, look how glossy it is. Love it. And then the white legs. So cute. And I love that it's so short and stubby. That's exactly what I wanted. Let me show you the inside. In this guy, I wanted a shelf just right in the middle so we could place whatever we need to in there. And then I think this guy kind of looks the same, but we have wires in here. Look how ugly it is. But if you do that, it's gone. Voila. And then for this one, oh yeah, it opens this way. We want it like that. We didn't want any shelves there just because we could put bigger stuff in there if that's what we want to do with this space. But look how spacious. I love it. Compartment storage is A+. Looks A++. I love everything about this TV stand. If you guys are interested, you guys could go get that, or you guys could make it prettier, whatever you guys want at Ikea. And the price isn't bad, $215 for that. Dude, I would get 5 of those. Make it into my closet, make it into my drawers, make it into everything if I can. Kitty pie. Oh, yes. He's 15 years old, guys. Can you believe it?